What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Night, and I'm back with another banger video.
It's your girl Anna, and I'm back with another video.
And we're gonna be doing an ASN. What we gonna be doing? We're gonna do an ASN Mars. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So we already broke our cookie, put our cookie on the cookie. So we ordered some cookies from Hungry House. So we're finna get started.
Let's get started.
Drink.
Put my stuff in.
Wait, no, y'all was... Wait, no, y'all not. Y'all got... Wait, no. Stop being so loud with your Okay.
They text. No.
Fuck, hurry up and get done so we can do the next.
No, Rachel, that's cooking. Put your plate right here. I know, I'm about to get some more.
What? Very chocolatey.
Like, you drinking my stuff.
No, I'm not. Yours is right here.
Dima.
Don't be loud. So, yo, we finna drink.
So, I'm on my next cookie.
She's on her next cookie, you guys. We gotta do it. No, don't take another one yet. We gotta do a whistle call for intro. Gotta what? Let Braylon go first then.
But you gotta get down.
Oh.
Lion. Like, up too.
Sorry about this. Look.
Look, the piece of my stuff.
You loud mouth.
You gotta get that one.
No, she can pick her own.
No, because I'm getting that one, so I want her to get that one so I can get that one.
And I'm going to get that one.
How?
I'm going to get this one. You get that one.
You get two?
The last one for Mama. So,
Wait, you gotta get the other piece. And you can actually take this piece. You want that piece? No. More than everything. Ugh, disgusted. And
alright, this is the end of this video. We epic failed
no,
it.
it's not. Wait, not yet.
One more try. That boy said crust.
Get that one. Yeah, last one for Mama. We not posted this video.
Yeah, look at that. It's too chocolatey.
I call last one.
The last one? That's Mama's.
And remember that one I called it.
We can split it off.
You ain't no shit go with it. What your time? What your time, right? So I put it down.
Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.